Let's go!
So karon mga buddy, ato ding aton ang source sa kuryente sa CPU. So unsa may atong lugayan? Let's go!
This is the main supply of the campus. Grano makailani, ilailahon tani.
The main supply, also called mains electricity or utility power, refers to the standard electricity power provided by a utility company to homes, office, and industries.
Ganaan mo turn on and turn off mo uyab. Money ang resulta panel board.
A panel board, also called distribution board breaker. Panel or electrical panel is a component in an electrical system that contribute electrical power to various circuits while providing protection through circuit breaker or fuses.
Gusto mo nga dili mapaw ang inyong relasyon? Ayaw i-down.
Circuit breaker, which is an electrical safety device designed to protect an electrical circuit from damage caused by overcurrent or short circuit. Its basic function is to interrupt current flow after a fault is detected.
1 gang, 2 gang o 3 gang, ikaw gang. Gang kaibigan lang.
Ompong magerang rantau budal mandan nyusah. Kuyo gundul kesana kesering ngampet kendul. Genduru wortel lo tampak lo yo. Serangkol jalannya miring-miring itu.
A switch is a device that is used to control the flow of electricity in a circuit by opening, turning off, or closing, or turning on the circuit.
Nangita ba mo kaya?
Ano man dirin mo i-point ang kamera na tao?
Light, electromagnetic radiation visible to the human eye, compromising photons that travels in waves, enabling us to perceive colors, shapes, and textures, and illuminating the world around us through natural and artificial sources.
Karon mga buddy, at ko na punta sa mechanical. So karon arita babaw mo kat-kat kaya atong tanawon ng mga lain-laing butang nga mechanical. So unsa man yung mga mechanical? Sorry kay mga buddy. Let's go.
Kini, wa pa mo kailangan ni ato na ring ilang-ilahon. Mauni ang window type ACU.
Giginya ompong magerang rantau budal mandan nyusah. Kuyo gundul kesana kesering ngampet kendul. Genduru wortel lo tampak lo yo. Serangkol jalannya miring-miring itu.
Window type ECU, air conditioning unit, is a compact air conditioner designed to fit into a window or a hole in a wall.
Muna siya ang stand type CPU. So mo din siya ang stand type ACU.
Aku di sini nunggu lama, kau sempat ngajak kelompok datang bersama. Terasa kurang kalau 3 orang, mendingan kalian pasang
wall-mounted ECU, air conditioning unit. It's a type of air conditioning system that is installed directly on the floor, usually along the wall, and is designed to prove efficient cooling or heating for a specific space.
What's up mga kabubors, na dadiris na ron ato nilakawon among paliton sa plumbing materials. Dalalakaw gamay, lakad matatag! Natatini sa hardware. Mao din ni mga badi ang atong paliton. Mao na yung kasabot pamiani unsa among paliton. Daras kuya, kapuhang kuya, uy! Gahubo pa jud, dara. Mao din ni si Ric Clair among tigtudlo sa among palitonon. Mao ni among unon namong paliton. Suwat-suwat marag angay.
Ganahan ba mo mga dagkong tubo? Mao ni ang inyong solusyon.
Watch my name and let me just go bang.
In plumbing, number 3 PVC pipe typically refers to type 3 PVC, which is an older and less common classification. However, in most modern plumbing terminology, PVC pipe are not usually labeled by number, like number 1, 2, and number 3.
Ganahan ba ang gagmay nga elbow? Dara ang solusyon.
Inya ombong menggerang rantau tutel mendenyu sa Kuya gundul kesana kesini ngampet kendul Yang kedua tela-tela tampak lo yo
PVC elbow plumbing refers to a type of PVC fitting using in plumbing system. An elbow is a curved pipe fitting that changes the direction of a pipe typically by the 90 degrees.
Ganahan ba mo koneksyon sama sa inyong relasyon? Dara ang solusyon. PVC-T.
The term PVC-T usually refers to a PVC fitting, which is a type of pipe fitting made from polyvinyl chloride or PVC and shaped like the letter T.
Nagbara ba inyong bukan? Mao ni solusyon.
Groove dealers
In plumbing, a cleanout refers to an access point of a fitting that allows for easy removal of blockage, debris, or buildup from pipes, enable maintenance, inspection, and cleaning of the clog of the plumbing system.
Ganahan ba mo barato, ligo o garantisado na materyales? Ari na mo sa Don Dino Hardware.
Uy, naamo diha. Nangita mo makasaligan nga toilet. Naara diri. Naay faucet nga masaligan. Naay kabo nga di masaligan. Andi na lang mo kabo, mangihi, naay drainage. Okay kayo.